Good morning. My name is Max Rossi, and today I'm going to talk to you about 8853 SPA, a historic Italian company now in its third generation. Personally, my area of expertise concerns the digital aspect of dental division. Our suite product has grown, completing a flow that she has alongside our dentists and dental technician customers by offering consumables and equipment. The first product we are look at in this workflow is a software that allows the clinician to generate a preview of aesthetic design to share with the patient and technician, offering a predictability of result in just a few clicks. In our stream, we also find a diodelaser, a surgical laser, easy to carry and use for the soft tissue treatment, entirely produced in our factory. Regarding the file acquisition, we offer both intraoral scanner and laboratory scanner. CAD-Links Evolution is a great software that uses different criteria respect the competitors. The main milestone can be summarized in 4 points. All in one, forget about buying different modules. Everything will be included in your lifetime or rental license. The dongle has been abandoned in favor of the cloud account that can be used on all PC or Mac too. We have a clinical area dedicated to implant planning on the platform, and thanks to the cloud, the professional can exchange data easily. In terms of production, we have 2 dedicated lines. The first focuses on milling. We have a different model and machine. While the second related to printing is a hot topic in the company that is a new product called 3DB. We are talking about an Italian brand, an eco-sustainability system, as all the covers and accessories are also built using 3D printing with biodegradable material that use enzymatic process coming from the derivatives. The Galaxy Professional line use optimized dynamic profile, always guaranteeing the best balance between speed, precision, and reliability. On this product, we find the onboard computer, facilitates remote connection and integrated slicing management. We have a patent dedicated to the temperature control, both during the cooling phase and also heating phase, guaranteeing an optimal range of temperature. We also have a line of implant prosthetic product in their digital libraries, creating a screw retainer design into our system. I conclude by saying that 8853 cost-operating expansive is market horizon, so it was great to take a part in Idem again this year, one of the most interesting Asian exhibition. Thank you.